In this video, let me show you how to fix Metrobank app login problem. So if you're having issues logging into your Metrobank platform, in this video, let me show you the way that you can fix this issue. Now, the first thing that you need to ensure is that if you're using an Android device, the developer mode is disabled. So you simply need to head over to these settings on your device. Now, normally the developer mode should be available within additional settings. If it is not, you can simply search for it within the settings, within the search bar on the top. If you are able to find it, make sure you disable it. If you are not being able to find it, that likely means that the developer mode is not enabled on your Android device. Now, if this is not the case for you, this is likely happening due to corrupted apps or the app bug. So in this situation, what you simply need to do is reinstall the application onto your device. As I said, this ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing should also be fixed. Now, even after trying both of these steps, you're still facing issue. You also need to ensure that your date and time within your device is set to automatic, meaning it is set to the correct date and time. So once you ensure that, you should be able to fix the Metrobank app login problem. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.